Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert your photo or image into a passport size. Let's do this. First of all, click on the Object Selection tool and select the subject. After selection the subject, click on the window and go to the layers. Don't forget to unlock the layer and take a mask of the subject. Now you will see the background has been removed. Now click on the adjustment layer and take a solid color for the background. The blue color is good for the passport photo for a good printing. Now place the color layer behind the subject like this. Now make a new file for the passport size photo. Change the units into centimeters. Okay. Then the width should be 3.5 and the height should be 4.5 and make the resolution 200. Now click to create this file. Now it's time to merge these two layers to make a single layer. Now drag this image to the passport size area like this. Now adjust this photo according to the area. Now you can save this file and export for printing. Okay. If you want to print multiple photos on a single sheet, then proceed these steps. Okay. First of all, take a rectangle around the photo and make sure the stroke is applied without any fill color and make the stroke white with 35 pixels. Now select the rectangle and go to the edit and click on the define pattern. Write the name of the pattern and hit OK. Now go to the file and create a new file for the printing purpose of multiple photos. Take its size 1200 by 700 and make the resolution 200. Click Create. Now it's time to add multiple photos. Click on the adjustment layer and go to the pattern. Here you need to select the photo that already created. Click OK. Here we go. All the photos are ready for the printing. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.